Most of you guys are going to be working for 40 years and just retire poor. A lot of you guys think, you know what, 9 to 5 is the way to make money. A lot of you guys think, okay, this is what I'm going to do for the next 40 years. I'm going to dedicate myself into working for someone else, taking orders and doing everything that they tell me to do. 40 years later, you then get to a point where you're at retirement. You look at your pension isn't bringing you that much money. And you think to yourself, where have all of those years gone? A lot of you guys in your 20s, even 30s, right? You've got the biggest opportunity right now, which is to make money online. Now, just before I continue the video, so you know I'm qualified to talk about this, my name is Alim and I left the UK 12 months ago and I quit my 9-to-5 job and I moved to Dubai. Over 12 months later, I now own a 6-figure coaching business. And literally over 12 months ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job, getting paid around 2,000 a month, struggling to pay my bills, thinking, is this all that life has to offer? But that's when I decided I need to make a change. Now, a lot of you guys that are watching this video working your 9-to-5 job, you probably feel the same way. But the only difference is that I took action and a lot of you guys aren't. Now hear me out. A lot of you guys are working your 9-to-5 job. You probably have ambitions that you want to be rich. You probably have ambitions that you want to change your life, or you want to do something where you can make more money than your job is paying you. And most of the times, it's not really the money that you guys are after. What you guys are actually after is freedom. Because you can make all the money in the world, but if you don't have freedom, what is the point? So what you guys are looking for is freedom, not money. Because yes, the money is good when you're making money online. You can obviously make a lot of money, but the best thing that comes with making money online is freedom, which sets it apart from physical businesses. Because I don't actually personally believe in physical businesses. That's something you do 20, 30, 40 years ago. Now with the internet, you've got 20-year-olds making 70, 80 grand a month, traveling the world, whilst a lot of you are barely making 2,000 a month. And the only reason these 20-year-olds are making this much money is because they decided to take risk in their life. A lot of you guys that are working a 9-to-5 job, you've been suppressed into not taking risks. You're comfortable living paycheck to paycheck. You're comfortable following another man's orders. Because you need to understand one thing, your 9-to-5 job will never ever build you wealth. I don't care how much money you're making in your 9-to-5 job. You can be making some serious money, but it's not really and truly going to build you wealth, because you're going to get the same pay every single month. You might get a promotion after a year or two, but what's the point? You're still following someone else's orders. When you want to take holiday, you need to ask someone. You can't live life on your own terms. And this all stems from school. Because everything that you were taught in school in regards to following orders, going to school between like 8 to 3 or 9 to 3, you have to follow what the teacher says. You have to do everything the teacher says. That was basically just to prepare you for a 9-to-5 job. That's why you're so comfortable taking orders from someone else, because you went through that at school. Isn't it funny that a lot of people who actually drop out of schools end up starting a successful business? And the reason is because they don't want to listen to someone else. They want to do what they want to do. They want to live life on their own terms. Now, granted, I did take the traditional route in going to university and getting a degree. But the reason I did that was not because I knew I'm going to get a super fantastic job at the end of it. I actually did it for my parents, because my parents had 4 children. All the other children didn't go to university. I was the last one. I said, you know what, let me just do it for their sake. That's the only reason why I went to university. That's the only reason I've got a degree right now. Did I learn anything in university? No. Did that degree come in handy at any point in my life? No. Has that degree made me good money? No. So university is a waste of time. The degree was a waste of time. School after a certain period is a waste of time. And your 9-to-5 job is 100% a waste of time. So a lot of you guys that are working your 9-to-5 job, you need to ask yourself, if this is not building you well, if by the end of retirement you're going to be living off a pension and you're not going to have money of your own, ask yourself, is it worth it? Because there's no point getting rich closer to the retirement age, because there isn't much you can do. As I said, there are 20-year-olds making 70 grand a month currently, and a lot of them are just living life on their best terms. Imagine how different your life would be if you're making 70, 80 or even 100 grand a month, especially at your age. I mean, a lot of you are probably watching this at 25 to 30 to 35. Imagine how different your life would be at this age if you're making 100 grand a month. It would completely change your life. You'd be able to do things that you want. You'd be able to go places that you want. You'd be able to buy things that you want. Isn't it better for you to have that life now than closer to your retirement age? Because that's what everyone teaches you. You need to go to school, you need to go to university, get into debt, then you'll get a good job, and then through that you'll get a better job, and then you can maybe retire at the age of 70. What's the point of doing that? University is one of the biggest scams, and I'm telling you from someone that essentially done it. And again, I just want to reiterate, I only done it for my parents. So paying 30, 40, 50 grand, whatever it is for the degree is 100% worth it to put a smile on my parents' face. But a lot of you guys do university because you want to get a good job at the end of it. Or some of you just do it for the sake of it. You don't really know what you want to do out of life. So my point is, guys, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, okay, you need to find a way out. You really need to find a way out. You need to escape, because trust me, you don't want to be working a 9-to-5 job forever. And trust me on one other thing, time goes very, very quickly. You'll get to a point where you're closer to retirement, you've worked at a place for 30 years, and you're going to ask yourself, where has the time gone? Why did I not start my own business when I could have? Why did I waste time going out? Why did I waste time playing video games? Why did I waste time watching Netflix? All of those things mean nothing right now. All of those times you could have had freedom to do whatever it is that you want, but you've got to your age now and you're like, shit, I've wasted all this time. So if you're working a 9-to-5 job, you are seriously wasting time. And this is coming from someone who worked several jobs back in the UK. I worked at Argos, I worked at World Duty Free's warehouse, I worked at Sky. And I worked at Sky for about 5.5 years before I decided to quit. And even when I quit, I wasn't successful in my business. I was making some money online, but it wasn't enough to take over my job at the time. But because I took that risk and because I went full in on my business and I was in a position where I had to sink or swim, I was able to make good money. Now, a lot of you guys don't even have to quit your 9-to-5 job, right? A lot of you guys can work your 9-to-5 job on the side and then do a side hustle. But a lot of you guys are lazy to do that. And the funny thing is, before I quit, that's what I was doing. I was working on my side hustle whilst I was working a full-time job. Yes, it's not easy. Yes, there are sleepless nights. Yes, you go into work tired. Yes, you're stressed. Yes, it's overwhelming. But I look back now and think, thank God I did that. Because had I not done that, I would not be making over 6 figures a year right now. All because I decided to take one big risk in my life. So if you're watching this video, there is a way out. So guys, I run my own 6-figure coaching business where I help 9-to-5ers or any beginners really. I scale them up to 10K a month within 3 months of my program. And the way I do this is I help you set up your own info business where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, if that does sound interesting and you do want to quit your 9-to-5 job, well, you can either DM me on Instagram, or you can click the link in the description below and book a call with me. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I'll see how I can help you. Guys, we're 6 months in 2025. A lot of you have already wasted 6 months of this year. You've got another 6 months left of this year. Make sure to take action because some of you guys are so damn lazy, because I know there's people around me that do the exact same thing. They're so comfortable in the 9-to-5 job. Their 9-to-5 job's paying them. They just about survive every month. They're happy. Whereas if you start your own business, you might start off making 1,000 a month, 2,000 a month. Then it might go to 5,000. Then it might go to 20,000. Then it might even go to 40,000. That will never ever happen in a 9-to-5 job where you can just go from 2,000 to 4,000, then straight to 40,000 or 30,000. That will never ever happen in a 9-to-5 job, even if you were to get a promotion. And not only that, when you work for yourself, you don't need to take orders anymore. When you work for yourself, you do what you want, when you want, where you want, how you want. And that's one of the reasons I started an online business over a physical business. Because I can make my money online, I can travel wherever I want, whenever I want. Whereas with a physical business, it's almost like a job because you have to go into that same place every single day. Now, some can argue, yeah, you can hire staff and all of that kind of stuff, but you still need to check on the staff. You still need to check everything's going well. Whereas for me, I work online. So if I ever need to check on my business, I just open up my laptop and I can do this anywhere. So here in Dubai, sometimes I work near the beach, sometimes I work in a coffee shop, sometimes I work near the Burj Khalifa, sometimes I work here on my balcony. The beauty of it is I get to work where I want. And if we even take that even a step further, if I wanted to visit the UK or visit another country or go somewhere else, I can always do that because my business goes where I go, because my business is on my laptop. So guys, if you are working a 9-to-5 job and you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, you really need to take action today. 6 months of the year have already been wasted. You've got another 6 months left. Make that the best 6 months possible. Start a side hustle, start a coaching business, start an info business, because all of those businesses that I've just mentioned can make you some serious money. And again, if you need any help with that, you can either DM me on Instagram, or you can click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I'll see how I can best help you. So guys, there are only 6 months left of the year. Make sure you take action today.